Before we get into this beautiful vlog, I want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor of the video, Morse Creatives. Yes, my business is sponsoring my own video. It's a thing. Look it up, all right? So let me tell you a little bit. Sorry. Let me tell you a little bit about Morse Creatives. We are a tiny but mighty studio located in Portland, Oregon. It is my husband and I. He's the photographer and illustrator on the team, and I am the everything else. And we absolutely love creating and crafting beautiful websites for food brands and businesses, not only in the Portland area, but nationwide. We were founded in 2021, and we initially focused on crafting websites for all kinds of brands, mostly creative. I don't know why I'm doing that. Creative brands. But since this trip, I just got such a focus and such a clarity in terms of my vision for Morse Creatives. And since this trip, I have been on a rebranding phase where since then everything has aligned with my personal life, my marriage, and especially with my business. I just needed to step outside for a little bit, breathe a little, and have nature sort of provide the clarity that I needed to find my core again, find my why again. Okay, shout out to Simon Sinek. Rediscover my why, and that led me to a shift in my mindset. We got a new focus, we got a new look on the website, on the services page, on everything. We just have such a focus now that it feels incredibly powerful. It feels powerful knowing what your true vision is and your true sort of reason for existing as a person and existing as a business. And I think we found that throughout this camping trip, and I will literally show you why so much profound clarity came upon me visiting Lower Lewis Falls in Washington. Just that alone was just... Anyway, enough yapping. I will get into the video, but if you're interested, if you or anyone you know is interested in a beautiful website or marketing campaign, and if you're in the food industry, please check us out at morsecreatives.com. Thank you. Without further ado, enjoy the vlog. In 3, 2, oh, not yet, huh?
We're in Washington.
We're already in Washington?
Yep.
All right, we entered Washington. Oh yeah, there we go. There's Washington. We're in Washington. Welcome to the Evergreen State. That's so pretty. Wow. Ooh. Wow. My phone is capturing it too. That's the max. 20x zoom. That's incredible. pretty. I don't know, like, oh dang it.
It's just mud.
Is it just mud?
He's just being a goober. I like it.
Thank you. Okay. Are you filming? It's December and we decided to come out in nature because you can have fun year-round in nature here. And we're in Lower Lewis Falls, right?
Yes.
So that's the sound of the falls. It's still running. It's really cold, but it still runs year-round. So let's go check it out. This is winter in the Pacific Northwest, because I can't say in Oregon because we're currently in Washington, in beautiful Washington. So, oh my fucking God. Ah! I love this. It's one of my favorite falls. Oh my God. Every time we come here, every time. Okay, I'm gonna shut up and just show y'all just wow, wow, wow. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. Ah! Oh my God. Oh, it's still running. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in. Wow. Wow. Let me see. Look at that. Look how stunning. Pretty. Wow. We're gonna prep this first because it's, oh, I'm sorry. What's happening?
We gotta let it clear out a little bit.
Okay. Get the oil for that. Some napkins in here. Should I get you the tea stuff right now, or is it gonna be later?
No, I can do the tea stuff. No.
You could throw that in there. Oh, like
the core?
yeah.
Okay. Let me get the seeds out real quick.
Okay. Probably a good idea. Okay. Plenty of seeds, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay. And you want to hold that? So the rest of it?
Yep.
Gonna be a little hard. Alright. Okay, if you want. Okay, I moved this, so just make sure it doesn't. It's hot. It's hot already. Ooh. Actually, we got a pizza in here for. Oh, that could be warmed up right here.
Yeah, just leave it in the foil though.
Leave it in the foil?
Yeah.
And put it right here?
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Okay. I think the pan is nice and hot and it's ready for French bread. Maybe that could be in the middle here, and then we can put the stew on. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the spoon?
Is the spoon in there?
Yeah. This one's for the tea. So this here. Put some oil for the stew. You made this stew, honey. You still filming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just have it on the cooktop.
Where's the butter? Now we can do the butter. Yeah?
Yep.
Use that knife for this. Is that enough of it?
Yeah.
For the French fry? Should I slice this thin like this? Yes.
Or, yeah.
This is nice and hot. How's the tea coming? Oh, it's not whistling yet, so. That looks very good. Okay.
Cool if I stop?
Yes. Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's starting to burn, that's why.
Immediately too. Yep. It's a lot of honey. More honey for my honey.
Well, you are so sweet. So.
You're too sweet. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Stay right there. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. Wow.
You better be getting the steam.
Honey, there's so much steam I can't even see it. Nice. It's my birthday weekend and we are at OMSI, Oregon Museum of Science and Industry. And we're here to, are you doing stuff in the back? And we're here to see The Boy and the Heron because they're having their Ghibli Studio, the light is so rude, Ghibli Studio Festival, so. Do you want to vlog me?
Vlog you up and down.
Vlog me up and down?